25 pounds.
No?
Yeah.
20 pounds.
Take it. We just received our full Brabus wide star kit for this G-Wagon. It's a G550 with the full Brabus kit on it. However, the wide star kit came out for the G63, which is really cool. This customer wanted to do that upgrade, but he didn't want to go get a G63. The 550 is equally as nice, honestly, so why not? Package really nice from Brabus, as you can see, from Brabus, Germany. So yeah, there you have the front fender flare, which I will kind of throw on there, like that. This is all going to be painted white to match the car with some black accents. We'll paint this vent black. I was a little worried about the wheels. We already went aggressive, so we don't have to even alter that. It fits perfectly, and we're ready. So we'll get all this stuff prepped and ready for paint next. This is the Brabus Wide Star package instructions. We just printed it out. I think our printer overheated. It's about 82 pages. We're gonna make sure our guys take this home and study it today. This is their homework for the night. They're gonna come back strong tomorrow and start test fitting so we can prep it for paint. Carlos, you're gonna install the Brabus kit on the G-Wagon. This is the instructions for you. Take it home.
You want another one?
Fuck, my printer blew up right now from that.
No, what I'm saying is you don't want another video. Maybe the friend, maybe ice cream like girl.
सारी रात जागी ना सोई वे तेरी मोहब्बत सताया वे सारी रात जागी ना सोई वे सजना सताया वे सारी रात जागी ना सोई वे कटे गए दिन बीती रातों आया ना सजना.
So you guys have seen this Morgan here before. We did the left front window motor and regulator. There's a brand new one in there. Now the passenger side has failed, so we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Javier's on it. We'll have this car ready a little bit later today. It takes about 2 to 3 hours to replace the motor and regulator on this car, but it took us about a month and a half to get the part.
Ready? Alright. We are currently in Myers. We're headed to Cedars-Sinai Hospital, which is not too far from the shop. We got a few DMs from a fan of ours, Alfredo. He is currently in the hospital. He's been there for a few months. Already had a heart transplant. I guess it didn't go too well. We don't know the full story yet, but he's awaiting a second heart transplant. He's had other complications. I think he's already had a liver transplant as well. So he's got, he's got some health issues, and he's a fan of ours. He reached out to us to pay him a visit, and of course we're gonna go there and visit him. His Instagram is Heart Health Coach 1. We're gonna go visit him, find out his story, give him a little care package from us, and say what's up.
Sure, just round down. Put one on. Yeah, forward.
Forward, right? I knew it. I knew that. How are you guys? How you doing?
Good. How are you, man?
My name is Alfredo. Nice to meet you.
Mono, nice to meet you.
So much about you guys. How are you?
Thank you.
That's Joe. He does all the video, media for us.
So, that's my phone that fell.
This one's for you.
Yeah,
I'll put it here, right here for you, okay?
We should put it on so I can take a picture with it. I've worn a shirt for like 3 months now, but I'll wear this.
I don't know if that's gonna fit you, but try.
No, I will.
No, large fits. It's just
Yeah.
if you wash it one time, it does get small. But
We'll bring you another one.
there you go. No, it's a perfect fit.
Look at that.
There you go.
Looks like I have boobs and everything.
So here's your hat.
Yeah, let me put the hat on.
I don't know how you want to adjust that. There you go.
Look at that. I don't even look sick anymore. Let me hide this thing.
Also, we got you a pop socket. I don't
Oh,
know if
nice.
if you're on your phone laying down, I mean, I use this a lot.
Yes.
Definitely.
So this goes in the back here?
Yeah. You want me to install it for you?
Hold it for like.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice.
So you go whenever you're on your phone.
How did you get it to pop out? Because it looks so
Push it.
You just push it down,
nice.
and then when you want to, you just pull it out.
This is pretty cool.
So you can just hold it like that, so you
I've
can.
seen them, and I never.
Yeah.
And
It's
you got
very, very.
this works as a stand too. So
Yeah.
Nice. I like this.
All right, so we're here at Cedars-Sinai with our pal here, Alfredo. He's an awesome, awesome guy. We just got finished talking about his life story. It's really amazing. A very, very positive person. Alfredo, intro yourself. Tell them a little bit about yourself.
Thank you, all of you watching. Got in touch with these guys because I love their work. I love their attitude towards life, and I enjoy watching them every day. And it makes me feel really, really good inside every day when they put out new content. And it makes me feel happy. I've been here 89 days in the hospital waiting for a second heart transplant and my first liver transplant. And these guys have made my days better, just to say the least. They make it better every time they do something funny, usually to Moses, of course. but everything they do and all the work they do to the cars makes me feel very happy. I contacted them and they were kind enough to come and meet me. So the first thing that I want to say is thank you to you guys for being here.
Our pleasure.
And secondly, what moves me is trying to get the word out there of how blessed we are. I always think to myself that even if I'm here waiting for second heart and the first liver, I'm blessed because I can walk. I get to move around even if I have to have my buddy here with me all the time wherever I go. Life is beautiful, man. Enjoy it. Do whatever you need to do. Make your dreams come true. And what you're hearing over there, you might want to turn around. That's my heart getting really excited. Every time I get really excited, I skip beats, man. It's really interesting. So every time I talk about this, it makes me like feel warm inside. Enjoy your life, make the most of it, make it count. Never give up. Make your dreams come true, just like these guys are doing on a daily basis, and they're contaminating us in a good way to make life better. Thank you for being here, and I hope you have a blessed life.
Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you guys. It was
See you
great to
soon.
meet you. Thanks, man.
We're gonna head back to work now.
Thank
so.
you guys. So I'll see you soon.
Yes, sir.
of course. I can't throw it back. I can't.
Got a helmet.
What's the matter?
What do you mean? You're fully protected.
Don't pick up your packages.
What?
Don't pick up your packages, bro. Hey! Cop. You're good. It doesn't even have tints. You're fine.
Behind me, we have this 2019 BMW X5, 50i, 5.0i, whatever you want to call it. This is the new model X5. They're going to be making the M version of this too. It was brought to us by a local dealer, brand new. We wrapped it up in this really cool metallic red color. It's gloss, it's not matte or satin, but it's this metallic red. Looks really clean. We didn't do any blackout or any other modifications to it. It's going to go back to the dealer and get sold. Mom car, I think, but once the M comes out, I think it's going to be more suitable for us. But yeah, for now, we're done with this new X5.
That GT4 was in here. We did 4 new tires on that car. We did an alignment. Also, the windshield was cracked, so we did put a brand new original Porsche windshield on the car. She just left now. She's happy, and time for us to get out of here.